Welcome to this detailed tutorial on analyzing your website's user behavior using Hotjar. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating directly to the Hotjar website. On the homepage, you will notice a clean design that invites you to start exploring the various tools available. When you are ready to access your account, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the page. There you will see a sign-in option that you need to click to begin the login process. Once you have clicked sign in, the next step is to use the convenient sign in with Google option. This feature is designed to streamline the login process by allowing you to select your preferred Google account. After you click on the Sign In with Google button, simply choose the account you wish to use for Hotjar. This method not only simplifies the authentication process, but also helps keep your credentials secure. After successfully signing in, the next procedure involves familiarizing yourself with the heat maps feature. Direct your focus to the left-hand side of the Hotjar dashboard, where you will find a section dedicated to heat maps. In this section, Hotjar provides you with a visual summary of how visitors interact with your website. Whether you decide to review existing heat maps or start a new analysis, you are presented with an intuitive interface that makes the process straightforward. Once you have accessed the heat map section, take a moment to click on one of the existing heat maps or opt to create a new heat map for your website. This action opens the door to a range of customization options. On the right panel of the heat map interface, you will notice a feature that allows you to choose the mapping type. The mapping type options are designed to help you focus on specific aspects of visitor behavior, whether that is click patterns or another type of engagement measure. By selecting the appropriate mapping type, you ensure that your analysis will be targeted and relevant to your website's performance metrics. Following the selection of your preferred mapping type, the next step involves choosing the scroll map option. When you click on the scroll map type, the display will change to show a dynamic visualization of how far down the page your visitors are scrolling. The scroll map is colored in such a way that different hues indicate varying levels of engagement, meaning the areas where the colors shift to warmer tones are the sections that have captured the most visitor attention. This visualization provides immediate insight into which parts of your web page are most engaging and which sections might need further improvement. Throughout this tutorial, the emphasis is on using each tool within Hotjar efficiently to gain deeper insight into user behavior on your website. The process of signing in, navigating to the heat map section, and selecting from various mapping options is designed to guide you in making informed decisions. Analyzing the click patterns, engagement levels, and scroll behavior will provide you with actionable insights for optimizing your content and enhancing user experience. Enjoy the journey through Hotjar's powerful analytics and use the visual data to drive improvements across your website.